Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today, we're trying two different kinds of Kahiki egg rolls or rockin' rolls. I never noticed the second I in Kahiki and always thought it was khaki. But as usual, I was wrong. You guys know how I butcher words when I try to pronounce them correctly. I'm usually not a real big fan of frozen egg rolls. For the mere fact, they usually suck. Even if they're nice and crispy, the filling is usually mushy, has a sour flavor to it, and there's little meat. So I decided to try the Kahiki brand egg rolls, or rockin' rolls. I would have gotten all the different Kahiki egg rolls they had, so I could try them for you, the people, so you didn't have to. But the only two they had were the Kahiki vegetable egg rolls, or rockin' rolls, and the Kahiki chicken egg rolls, or rockin' rolls. Kahiki, if you're watching, I have a suggestion if I may. Either call the egg rolls, or rockin' rolls, rockin' rolls. But please pick one and stick with it. Saying egg rolls and rockin' rolls is a bit redundant. So let's go over the vegetable rockin' egg rolls first. Rockin' egg rolls? Now that has a ring to it. Now let's see if Kahiki watched my videos and they changed the name. The 5.8 ounce pack of two vegetable egg rolls costs $2. So at $1 each, that's close to the regular cost of an egg roll in a Chinese restaurant. So if these are any good, the price is right. The vegetable rockin' egg rolls are a blend of cabbage, carrots, edamame, and green onion in a crispy egg roll wrapper. I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm not real crazy about edamame, and it seems to be putting more and more stuff every day. What do you think? Do you guys like edamame? If you don't know and you're wondering what edamame is, they're immature soybeans. The edamame and all the other ingredients are 100% natural. There's not really a whole lot of individual ingredients, and they actually don't look that bad. But I do know some people try to avoid palm oil, which these do have. So if you're one of those people, there's your heads up. Each rockin' egg roll with one sauce packet has 160 calories, 4 grams of total fat, 1 gram of saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 320 milligrams of sodium, 28 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, 5 grams of sugars, and 5 grams of protein. I wish they would have had a separate set of nutrition facts for the sauce. Now let's go over the chicken rockin' egg rolls. These are a combination of white meat chicken with cabbage, carrots, and green onion in a crispy egg roll wrapper. Now these don't have edamame, so they must have been in the vegetable rockin' egg rolls for protein. Again, all of these ingredients are 100% natural. Just like the vegetable rockin' egg rolls, there's not an overabundant amount of ingredients. And obviously there's chicken in here, but what catches my eye is the chicken type flavor. What the hell is chicken type flavor? It's obviously seasonings, but how do you get chicken flavor without chicken? Each chicken rockin' egg roll with a packet of sauce has 160 calories, 3.5 grams of total fat, 1 gram of saturated fat, no trans fat, 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 410 milligrams of sodium, 27 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, 6 grams of sugars, and 5 grams of protein. You can heat these up in the microwave using a crisping sleeve, or you can cook them in the oven, which is what I'm going to do. Well, sort of. I'm going to cook them in the air fryer. I haven't cooked one thing in the air fryer that hasn't turned out perfect. Well, actually I did. I tried to cook scrapple in it, and that was an epic fail. But everything else has turned out absolutely perfect. No, my air fryer isn't dirty. Well, it kinda is, but it's a fresh dirty and not an old dirty. It's really important to know the difference between fresh dirty and old dirty. In other words, we were cooking up a bunch of things before and after these egg rolls, and we just wiped the basket out with a paper towel after each thing we cooked. So that's what the residue is that you see in the basket. We put the vegetable rockin' egg rolls in first, and then the chicken rockin' egg rolls. The directions said to cook these at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, but my air fryer only goes up to 400 degrees, which is fine since it always cooks faster than the directions call for. Here's the 2-pack of sweet and sour sauce that comes in each box. So I put these in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, flipping at the halfway point. Here's what they look like after cooking for 15 minutes at 400 degrees in the air fryer. The first thing that caught my eye were the outside of the egg rolls were very dry, which is great. There's no excess moisture or grease leaking out, making our egg roll soggy. Nobody wants a soggy egg roll, right, Sweet Brown?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
If you like crispy egg rolls as much as Sweet Brown and I do, let me know in the comments and smash that like button. Here are the Rocking Egg Rolls all plated up with 4 packets of sauce in the ramekin. The vegetable Rocking Egg Rolls are on the right and the chicken Rocking Egg Rolls are on the left. We tried the vegetable Rocking Egg Rolls first. And look at that, there's even a little bit of extra flavor from the previous cook. In all seriousness, we were the only ones eating these, and it didn't really matter if there was a little bit of residue or crumbs from the previous food. And of course I would not do this if you, the people, came over for dinner. So into my trap it went. And listen to that crunch. Now that's crispy. Yes, I know, it's time to change the battery in my smoke alarm. The ladders and I don't work well together. The egg roll wrapper was perfectly crispified, and there was a good amount of filling. If you're like me and you initially thought that yellow thing was a kernel of corn, it's not, it's a yellow carrot. These were good enough to take one more bite before trying the sauce. Even on the second bite, the egg roll wrapper was still crispy. The flavor of the cabbage and filling wasn't nearly as sour as most frozen egg rolls are, and the filling wasn't mushy or watery. Normally, I love enough Chinese mustard on my egg rolls, it takes your breath away, and I don't really like overly sweet sauces. But since the sauce came with them, I gave it a try, and I was really happy I did. This sauce was kick-ass. It wasn't overly sweet at all. It had a great vinegary flavor, the sour part of the sweet and sour sauce. It was a really good balance between sweet and sour. I could have drank a cup of this sauce, but I really love vinegar, so it could just be me. Now let's try the Rockin' Chicken Egg Rolls. Again, these were cooked to the perfect crispification and not soggy or greasy whatsoever. After I took the first bite, I was like, wow, this one was really packed with chicken-like flavor. Well, that's what it said in the ingredients. All jokes aside, it really did have a ton of flavor. It had an impressive amount of filling and chicken and no edamame. The chicken egg roll filling also was not sour at all. Maybe the chicken-like flavor covered it up. Then of course I had to try it with my new favorite sauce. And the sauce made it even better. So here's my final thoughts on the Kahiki vegetable Rockin' Egg Rolls. They were okay. Actually, they were a little bit better than okay. They were perfectly crisp, the filling wasn't mushy, but it did have that slight sour flavor and edamame, neither of which I'm crazy about. If you like edamame, you'll like these more than I did. But even so, I'm going to give them a better than average score of 6 out of 10. The Rockin' Chicken Egg Rolls were great, perfectly crispified, full of filling and chicken-like flavor, and actual chicken. They get a 9 out of 10. The sweet and sour sauce on its own gets an 11 out of 10. But like I said, it was really vinegary, which balanced perfectly with the sweet. And I just really love vinegar, so you may not feel the same way about it as I did. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.